Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Mandar. In this video, I will guide you how to take headstand position for yoga beginners. Let's sit in Vajrasana position. Take distance from ball equal to your elbows as I shown here. Make sure your elbows and shoulder in one line, and the distance between the two hands is like if you fold the elbows just like this. Fold your elbows, keep in this position. Make sure the distance is correct. Accordingly adjust your distance. Make sure the elbows and shoulder in one line, and do not disturb this folded. And then we make a triangle. Make sure that your wrist and wrist from the elbow is resting firmly on the ground. Interlock our fingers. Now we will rest our crown on the ground, and in this mountain position we will slowly take our foot near to chest. Take legs as close as possible. Try to lift your toes as shown here. For the beginners, just practice raising your foot, raising your toes like here. It's good to practice this mountain position with raised toes before moving to next stage of headstand. For the next stage, stage 2. So we sit in Vajrasana. Take distance of elbows from ball as shown here. Make sure elbows and shoulder in one line. Fold your elbows. This is the distance we should take. We make a triangle, and then we make a mountain pose. Taking our foot as close as possible to chest, and this is our original position. And one by one, lift both legs. You can also rest it against the wall. Make sure that you take your whole weight on the forearms, not on the ground or not on the neck. You can rest your feet on the wall, and please maintain the whole weight on the forearms. You can lift up your head away from the ground and try to take whole weight on the forearms as shown here. This will be good to practice if you want to go for the next advanced position to build up the strength in your forearms. As you become confident, you can take away the feet away from the wall, and slowly keeping the bending position of legs, release the position. Once you become comfortable in stage 1 and stage 2, let's move to the next stage, stage 3. The stage 1 and stage 2 concept remains same, keeping the same distance between your elbows with mountain position, slowly taking feet as close as to your chest. Breathe in, breathe out, and with breathe in, lift your both legs upside. Maintain this position. Take some more breath, and once you become confident, slowly take both legs together upside. Here, try to extend your heels upside. As a beginner, try to take your waist little bit ahead of your chest and simultaneously take your both legs little bit behind. Focus on any point in front of you and concentrate on your breathing. If you are not comfortable, you can also rest your feet against the wall as shown here. And here again I repeat, try to take whole weight on your forearms, not on the neck. You can try to lift your head away from the ground by putting some pressure on forearms. As you become confident, take away your legs from the wall and while releasing the position, bend legs. Take knees near to your chest. And relaxing Shashangasana. Breathe 10 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. It is very important that you practice warm-up before any exercise, and especially for the headstand. Please don't forget to watch my next video of warm-up exercise. And friends, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.